Next is the 4R. The 4R consists with reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. Let's start with the reduce. If we avoid making garbages, we need not worry about the disposing of waste or recycling it later. Changing the habits of shopping, working and playing can reduce our waste. There is a ton of ways to reduce waste, saving some time and money and being good to the earth at the same time. By reducing and reusing, consumers and industry can save natural resources and reduce waste management cost. Waste prevention or source reduction is the strategy behind reducing and reusing waste. By designing, manufacturing, purchasing or using material in a ways that generate less waste, fewer natural resources are used. Let's see some advantages of the reduce technique. Saves natural resources, reduces toxicity of waste and reduces cost. Let's see one by one. Saves natural resources. Throughout the life cycle of a product, from extraction of raw material to transportation, processing and manufacturing, waste is generated. Reusing items or making them with less material decreases waste, so saves our natural resources. Next is the reduces toxicity of waste. Sharing products that contains hazardous chemicals instead of throwing out leftovers using the smallest amount necessary, we can reduce waste toxicity. And next is the reduces cost. Preventing waste also can means economic savings for communities, businesses and organizations. So saves natural resources, reduces toxicity of waste and reduces cost. These are the advantages of the reduce. Next concept is the reuse. Reuse is the best for resource conservation. To reuse is to use an item again after it been used. This includes conventional reuse where the item is used again for the same function and new life reuse where it is used for a different function. Example, for conventional reuse is refillable milk bottles and the use of returnable, reusable plastic boxes, shipping containers, etc. Scientific research has shown that reusing a product can reduce carbon dioxide emission. Current environmental awareness is gradually changing attitude and regulations such as the new packaging regulations are gradually beginning to reverse the situation. Advantages of the reuse technique is reuse helps save time, save money, save energy and resources. Reuse reduces disposable needs and cost. Next, reusable products can often cheaper than many single-use product it replaces. These are the advantages of reuse. Some disadvantages of the reuse techniques are reuse often requires cleaning or transport which have environmental cost. In general, reusable products need to be more durable than single-use products and hence require more material per atom. These are the disadvantages of the reuse technique. In reuse technique, we use some different techniques like reuse centers and virtual exchange, deposit programs, closed loop programs, refilling programs, re-giving or regifting programs, printer cartridge and toner reuse and repurposing. So let's see one by one. So first is the reuse centers and virtual exchange. So first technique of the reuse technique is reuse centers and virtual exchanges. Reuse centers facilitate the redistribution of unwanted, perfectly usable materials and equipment from one entity to another. Next is the deposit programs. It offers customers a financial incentive to return packaging for reuse. Statistics shows that on average a milk bottle is returned 12 times. Next is the closed loop programs. This method applies primarily to items of packaging where a company is involved in the regular transportation of goods from a central manufacturing facility to warehouses. For example, cold drinks, milk, vegetables, etc. are transported in reusable plastic carrets. Next is the refilling programs. It encourages packaging reuse by customers. For example, refills of liquid soaps and cleaning materials, cooking oils, etc. This savings in packaging being passed on to the customer by lower shelf prices. This avoids the transport cost and emission of returning the reusable package to the factory. Next is the regiving. Items such as clothes and children toys often become unwanted before they wear out due to changes in their owner's need or preferences. These can be reused by selling or giving them to new owners. Next is the printer cartridges and toners reused. Printer ink cartridges can be reused. The companies that created these cartridges can refill and sold back to the consumers. Toner cartridges are recycled the same way as ink cartridges. This method is highly efficient as there is no energy spent on melting and recycling the cartridges, recreating the cartridges. Next technique is the repurposing. Repurposing means using a tool usually for a purpose unintended by the original tool maker. These are the different techniques for the reuse. Next technique is recycling. Next is the recycling. Recycling is breaking down on an item into raw materials which are then used to make new potentially useful materials. Recyclable material includes many kinds of glass, paper, metal, plastic, and electronics. Recycling turns materials that would otherwise become waste into valuable resources. Recycling of a material may produce a fresh supply of the same material. For example, used office paper would be converted into new office paper. Sometimes recycling is difficult or too expensive for recycling of the many products or the materials. May involve the reuse in producing different materials instead. Recycling is a key component of modern waste reduction and the third component of the reduce, reuse and recycle waste hierarchy. Next we see the advantages of the recycling method. Recycling reduces the consumption of fresh raw materials. It reduces energy usage. It reduces air pollution. It reduces water pollution by reducing the need for conventional waste disposal. It lowers greenhouse gas emission as compared to the different productions. So these are the different advantages of the recycling techniques. Next we see the disadvantages of the recycling techniques. The cost and energy used in the collection and transportation is more. Materials such as paper pulp can only be recycled a few times before material degradation prevent further recycling. These are the disadvantages of the recycling technique. Next is the recover. The 4 R's Recover provides an ecologically sound and environmentally friendly approach to minimizing and managing waste. Recover is to convert waste into resources such as electricity, heat, compost, and fuel through thermal and biological means. Resources recovery occurs after reduce, reuse, and recycle have been attempted. Recovery is when most of the material thrown as garbage is used and processed in ways other than being destroyed. When it is not possible to reuse or recycle objects such as mobile phones, computers, televisions, and other electronic gadgets, all of which may contain toxic elements, recovery is the last option. This means turning waste into a fuel for manufacturing processes after removing all the individual components that may be used again. For example, the waste is sent to the scrap dealers can be a source to recovery gold and silver from the contact, copper from the PCBs, all the plugs and sockets, etc., which can be reused. This is the recover. Next, we see the public awareness about the environment. There are the different methods of creating awareness. In our country, media like radio and television have a very high influence over the general public. The state and the central government should take a leading part in creating the awareness among the people. The public movements like Sardar Sarovar or Silent Valley project near Palghat in the south. Chipko Andolan in Uttarakhand, which was headed by a strong nature person, Mr. Sundarilal Bahuguna. These activities not only help to solve the local problems but also they help to generate awareness among the people living far from these problem areas. Together with the government activities, the non-government organization can take up this issue and conserve the environment. These are the different methods to creating the awareness. Next we see the multiple choice questions. Question first is environmental studies. Option A is an interdisciplinary academic field. Option B is methodically studies human interaction with the environment. Option C is includes the natural environment, built environment and the sets of relation between them. And option D, all of the above. So answer is all of the above. Next question is as per the French word environment means. Option A is atmosphere. Option B is earth and sun. Option C is encircle and surround. And option D is earth and energy. Answer is encircle and surround. Option C, encircle and surround. Next question. Environmental issues are discussed and solved in this subject. Option A, sociology. Option B, economics. Option C, EVS. And option D, none of the above. Answer C, it is EVS. Next question. Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival in India celebrated on option A is 2nd June, option B is 1st July, option C is 1st December and option D is 15th September. Answer 1st July. Next question. Earth Day is on option A January 22, option B February 22, option C March 22 and option D April 22. And answer option D April 22. Next question. Hydroscopic and combined water. Option A are used by plants during transpiration. Option B stored in xylem tissues of plants. Option C are of no use for plants. And option D compensate for loss due to evaporation by plants. Evapotranspiration evapotranspiration by plants. Answer option C, it is are of no use for plants. Next question. Due to acid rain, how pH of soil gets affected? Option A, pH decreases. Option B, pH increases. Option C, pH is unaffected. And option D, none of the above. Answer A, pH decreases. Next question. Earth Summit, the conference on the environment and development held at Rio de Janeiro in option A 1892, option B 1992, option C 2012 and option D 2004. Answer is option B 1992. Next question. The word environment is derived from French word. Option A environ, option B environing, option C environ and option D invo. Answer is option A environ. Next, as per the ecomark of our country is option A earthen pitcher, option B water drop, option C sun and option D Ashoka tree. And the answer is option A earthen pitcher. Next, which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Option A CO2, option B H2S, option C N2 and option D none of the above. Answer carbon dioxide CO2. Option A is a greenhouse gas. Next, the main source of water is option A rivers, option B ponds, option C rain and option D canals. And answer is option C rain. Next, which rays are stopped by ozone layer in stratosphere? Option A UV rays, option B infrared, option C X-rays and option D gamma rays. And the answer is option A UV rays. Next question. He is known as Chipko movement. Answer A Atal Bihari Vajpayee, option B Anna Hazare, option C Sundarilal Bahuguna and option D Pandit Nehru. Answer option C Sundarlal Bahuguna. Next question. Abiotic environment does not include. Next question. Abiotic environment does not include option A soil, option B water, option C air and option D plant. And the answer is plant. Next, the nature's cleaner are option A producers, option B consumers, option C decomposers and scavengers and option D symbionts. And the answer is option C decomposers and scavengers. Next, which of the following is important to save environment? Option A environmental protection, option B EVS, option C environmental pollution and option D none. And the answer is environmental protection. Option A environmental protection. Next question. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? Option A CO2, option B H2S, option C N2 and option D none. And the answer is CO2. Next question. Ozone depletion is harmful to option A skin, option B digestion, option C reproduction and option D none. And the answer is option A skin. Next question. Safe water is essential for option A hygiene, option B washing, option C pumping and option D none. And the answer is option A hygiene. Next question. Public awareness aims option A protecting natural resources, option B utilizing natural resources, Option C, exploiting natural resources, and the option D, none. And the answer is protecting natural resources. Next, some plants are useful as they produce option A, medicines, option B, fruits, option C, flowers, and option D, none. And the answer is option A, medicines. Next question, acid rain caused when mixes option A, moisture and SOx, option B, humidity and nitrogen, option C, water vapor and hydrogen, and option D, none. And the answer is option A, moisture and SOx. Next, plants are also sources of many dash for industries. Option A, raw materials, option B, medicines, option C, flowers, and option D, none. And the answer is option A, raw materials. Next, the growth of plants are option A, habitat specific, option B, water specific, option C, air specific, and option D, none. And the answer is habitat specific. Option A, that is habitat specific.